baby bus!
Let's go, Sheriff Labrador!
Assemble, Rainbow Explorers, Part 6.
DeMarcus, it's Sheriff Lala! Whoa! Huh? Where's Officer Dodo?
Hey now, little zebra, I'm right behind you.
Another figure emerged behind the kids. It was Officer Doberman. Sheriff Labrador had given him the order to focus on rescuing Lil Zebra, Giddy the Crocodile, and Peggy the Piggy, while Sheriff Labrador went after the thieves and kidnappers. Cret the Mole was so surprised that his jaw almost drooped to the ground in disbelief.
What? The underground maze we dug is so complicated! How did you catch up with us so quickly?
Thanks to Peggy's stickers, we were able to track you all quickly.
Sheriff Labrador opened his palm, revealing the handful of stickers he had collected along the way.
Following these stickers, we caught up with you as fast as we did. Besides, based on the direction you were heading, I knew you would board a boat from Rainbow Beach, and now your boat has been taken over by the police. Mole Gang, you're suspected of theft and child kidnapping. Now come with us to the police station.
A beam of wisdom flashed behind Sheriff Labrador's dark, round eyes.
All units, move!
Yes, sir!
Let's run!
Stop right there!
I'll just dig a hole out of here!
The hiding police officer showed up on Rainbow Beach and quickly captured the moles scurrying to escape. But then something unexpected happened.
Oh no, Cret is gone! Did he run away?
No way. The beach is surrounded by police officers, so he has nowhere to run. He is probably hiding somewhere on the beach.
Sheriff Labrador looked around the entire sandy beach. There was sand everywhere and no place to hide.
Oh no! He has probably dug a hole and buried himself in the sand. Cret is in danger. Guys, hurry up!
Soon, Sheriff Labrador found Cret the Mole, who had passed out in the sand. And after performing CPR, he woke up scared and tearful.
I couldn't breathe in the sand, and then I passed out. I was so scared.
Cret, never bury your head in sand or cover your mouth and nose with sand because it's super dangerous.
I got it, Sheriff Labrador.
At the entrance of the Rainbow Police Department offices, Lil Zebra, Giddy the Crocodile, and Peggy the Piggy finished assisting in the investigation and were preparing to go home with their parents. As they were about to leave, Giddy the Crocodile and Lil Zebra turned to look at Peggy the Piggy at the same time.
What's your name? My name is Peggy. What about you guys? Marcus, my name is Lil Zebra, and I'm a member of the Rainbow Explorers. My name is Giddy, and I'm the captain of the Rainbow Explorers. Peggy, would you like to join us? We can play and explore together and be good friends.
Peggy the Piggy smiled, revealing 2 round dimples.
Okay, I'm in. Great! Now I can declare Rainbow Explorers Assemble!